Hey, welcome to Tools Pack. So I got that Olsatool hand pack torque bits. They go from size T10 all the way to T60. Thought we could test them and see how strong they are. I got that screw here that takes a T30 and this 1/4 inch driver that's actually putting up to 2,200 inch-pound of torque. So let's push this until something snaps. Either the torque or the screw. Well, the torque bit lasted. Okay, so that T30 is pretty strong. Lasted no problem, and it broke that screw right away. This is the only torque hardware that I have for now, but we'll do some more tests later on. From T10 to T30, it takes a 1/4 inch drive or a 11 mil wrench. You can fit just like this here, or on the open end, or you can use the box end. And then this little lip makes it so that the socket actually doesn't go through. From T40 to T55, it actually uses 3/8 drive or a 17 mil. And the T60 uses a 1/2 inch drive or a 22 mil.